Hey guys, welcome back to Maika's Craft. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use any waste can like this and make it into a beautiful flower pot. So the flower pot I'm going to make it look like is like in a shape of an elephant. So first of all, you're going to be using any oil can like this. And after we take that oil can, we are supposed to remove the stickers on it. So now I have already cut the box because my parents helped me cut it. So you're gonna need a sharp blade. You're gonna have to heat it up and then cut it. So how you cut it is, you're first gonna cut the box in a half like this, and then from the half I cut out these squares which are gonna act as the elephant's ear. I cut them off on both the sides. Next we're gonna cut a hole over here, which is going to help this is where we're gonna put the plants. So this is how the bottom's gonna hold it, and this is gonna look like the trunk. Here I'm gonna paint eyes and these are the legs. So how you're going to assemble it is open this cap and you're going to put it in the hole that you make over here. Once you do that, you're going to screw it in. Make sure that your hole is not so big that the cap can come outside. And make sure that while you're cutting, you have some parental supervision. So now I attach this. And it looks like this. So now with the ears that we cut out from here, I made two holes over this side, like right here, and a slit right here. So now you're going to take one edge and put it in, and these are the ears of the elephant. Like this. So this is how it will look. Now what we're going to do is paint two eyes on the side of the trunk and paint these as paws in the front and back. So now I'm going to show you guys the painting process. So here's the finished product. This is the front. Got the ears on the side. Yes. I drew some grass over here. And this is the tail. And I made feet on the side. So now we have the basic model ready. Now we're going to put the plant and the soils in this area. So now we're putting the plant in here. So at the bottom I put broken pieces of a pot. You can also fill it with stones. Next we're going to add some soil. After adding it this much, I'm going to put in the plant. And after putting in your plant again, fill it with soil till the top. So this is how it looks now. I filled in the soil and put the plant as well. So this is the final product. Now you can keep it anywhere in your house where you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then. Bye. So here's the answer to the previous puzzle with the pair of homonyms. So first one, feet of animal, paws, stop or rest, paws, small insect, ant, female relative, aunt, item in formal document, claws, sharp hook nails of bird, claws. And Here's the next puzzle. So in these 3 words, in this 5 words, there is something in common. So just comment down what you think is common in these words, and I'll tell you guys the answer in the next video.